Have you ever found some vegetables in your fridge that you don't know what to do with it and they don't look so good and you don't want to waste them? Have I got a deal for you? We are going to pickle them really quickly. It's only going to take a few minutes. If this is for you, stick around. I'm Monika Czerveniak with Fearless Cooking and we're pickling today. So I found some bits and pieces of onions in my fridge that I do not want to throw out, and I have no purpose for it right now. So what we're going to do is make the pickling sauce, and then we're going to use about a cup and a half of white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar, but it's not necessary. This is an inexpensive vinegar. I'll just put this in a pot here. I have here a tablespoon of sugar. If you don't want to use the sugar, that's fine, but it's much better if you are. And also have a tablespoon and a half of salt. And we're going to stir this up and we're going to simmer that for about 5-10 minutes. That's all it needs till the salt and the sugar is dissolved. Onions I'm going to just slice really thin, regardless of whether they're white. You can mix them. I also have some shallots here, and I'm just going to really thin these. This is really fantastic on your pizza, on sandwiches, on your eggs, on anything at all that you want to eat. These are unbelievable once you have onions. Now you can also do any kind of vegetable. If you have some beans, or as I have here, I have some jicama that I wasn't sure what to do with it. So I just sliced it up, added some mint in there, and we're going to wait for the pickling sauce. So I'm just going to put these onions in the jar. Half of them are going on the side. So if you're enjoying this video, then I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, if you like, and even if you share, that would be awesome. That would really help us move forward and share more of our videos with you. Alright, so we got the onions in there. I'm going to press it down a bit. And I'm also going to put some peppercorns in here. Some of them. The other half all fell on the floor. Anyway, here we are. I'm going to just pour this concoction, this pickling concoction on top of it. And press down again a bit. And that's basically it. I have here my jicama, and as I mentioned before, it's got mint in it. And I'm going to press this down. This will just in 24 hours, if you have this in the fridge, it's just fantastic. You love it. You can use any kind of vegetable. The most important thing is that we're not wasting it. So from the eyes of the vegetables, they're basically saying, please don't let us get wasted here. So let's use everything up, because that is very good for your budget and it's also very good for your health, because this is delicious. I'm going to put the lid on here. I'm going to leave it on the counter till it cools down, and I'm going to put it in the fridge. Next few days, oh, by the way, on this one I have star anise I put into these onions, and they're also delicious. You don't have to put any spices in at all. You can just do it like this. You're going to love this. Delicious in salads, in pizza, in sandwiches, tacos, any of these. If you enjoyed this video, please do come back. In the meantime, be fearless in your kitchen.